In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove red eye in Pixlr quickly and easily, even if you've never edited a photo before. This is a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference when you want portraits, selfies, or close-up photos to look clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr in your browser and click Open Image on the home screen. This is where you'll load the photo that has the red eye problem. Choose the image you want to edit and let it open inside the Pixlr workspace. Once your photo is loaded, the next thing you want to do is zoom in so you can work with more precision. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and scroll up, or use the zoom tool if you prefer, until you're close enough to clearly see the eye you want to fix. Zooming in is important because red eye is usually a small detail, and the more closely you can see it, the easier it is to correct without affecting the rest of the image. Focus on the eye that needs editing, especially the red area in the center. Take a moment to get a comfortable view before making any changes. Now, go to the left toolbar and select the Color Replace tool. If you want a faster way, you can also press the A key on your keyboard as a shortcut. This tool is what lets you swap the red color with a more natural-looking tone. Once the tool is selected, look at the bottom of the left toolbar and click the main color picker circle. This is where you'll choose the replacement color. Pick a color that looks more like a natural eye color, or simply choose a darker shade that matches the surrounding eye area. The goal is to replace the bright red with something that blends in smoothly and looks realistic. If the color is too light or too different, the result may look unnatural, so take a second to choose carefully. After you've set your target color, it's time to paint away the red. Click inside the red circle and gently brush over the affected area. The Color Replace tool will swap the color from the area you click on with the color you selected. Be careful not to drag too far outside the red portion, because you want to keep the eye looking natural and avoid changing nearby skin or detail. If the red eye is still visible, you can continue with small controlled strokes until the entire red area is covered. You may also need to adjust your brush size or zoom in a little more for better accuracy. The key here is to work slowly and lightly, rather than trying to fix everything in one big stroke. That will give you a much cleaner final result. Once the red eye is removed, zoom back out and look at the full photo to make sure everything still looks balanced. If needed, you can make tiny touch-ups, but in most cases, the fix should already look much better. And that's it. You've successfully removed red eye in Pixlr. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step editing tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.